everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1971 Chevrolet Malibu Wagon. Super cool car, guys. Very fun car to drive. Well built to cruise. Neat car. I've always been a big fan of wagons, and if you're looking for something fun to drive, I think you'll have a blast with this thing. Very nice car, just over 2,000 miles on a body up restoration. They said it's been actually done for a little while, but they just didn't put a ton of miles on it. Love the American Racing Hobster wheels. It's got the operable cowl hood with the hood pins. Really neat car. It's got all the SS trim. They put the Super Sport striping on it. Soft Ray tinted glass. I like the rear spoiler, that's pretty cool. This is a three-way rear door here with a power rear window. You can nitpick, these look like the original bezels on it. It's also got the original bumper, so you can nitpick that a little bit. Good, solid, straight car. That's your where your fuel door is. Yeah, I don't think that there's something wrong down there. That's your spare well down there. That's what that little extension is. Love the Hobster wheels. It's got a good sounding Magnaflow dual exhaust system on it. This is Nevada silver. Front disc brakes. Dual chrome mirrors. You can open all the doors up. 350, you know, nothing crazy there. Maybe a little cam to it, but nothing crazy. Built to cruise. 4-barrel Edelbrock aluminum intake, stock exhaust manifolds. It's got a Borgeson power steering unit. I love those units. A little more feedback than the stock ones. As you can see, it's got air conditioning, power front disc brakes, 700 R4 automatic overdrive transmission. Like I say, car's built to cruise, and it really does hit the road good. Oh, this is a global cruise control unit. Good looking car, man. Car's just got a great look. It's just got a little, what do you call it there in the speaker cover in the dash. Again, dual chrome mirrors. Door handles are nice. Door seams are clean. It's got converted to bucket seats with a center console. They got all the SS trim, tilt column, SS steering wheel. It got the Super Sport tack and gauges. 2317 are the miles on your build. It's got an aftermarket custom sound system. I guess it thumps. You can see they converted the indicator to the overdrive system. Sorry, guys, missed a little wax there. But neat car, really cool car. Again, this opens this way, and then it also opens. You pull it, pull this handle, and it'll open the other ways as well. Really cool car. Again, that rear window's power. Clean underneath. Really just a cool old car. Somebody's gonna have a blast with this thing. Everything opens and closes nice. Yeah, it's got a complete custom sound system in it. The bucket seats with center console are super cool. Original owner's manuals in the glove box. Oh, God, yeah, you fired up, yep. Air blows cold. On, like I said, the air blows cold on it. Cool car, automatic overdrive transmission. Like I say, built to cruise. You got to pin that, Eddie. Tach works. Gauges work, and the radio in there works. Got good sound. Turn signals on it. Backup lights. Put it in reverse, Dale. Backup lights work. Like I say, man, just a good car. Radio is, what's it on there? You might have, oh, you just shut it off actually. Push it back. It all works. Blower motor works.
Makes a difference too, but let's
functions.
Keep those.
And again, I guess it the boy said it is loud. Oh, wipers we gotta check. I do have to check the wipers on it. Headlights. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Great way to keep track of us. What a good looking car. Somebody's gonna have a blast with that. Sits good.